Today is the day, Jürgen Klopp's last ever Liverpool match, and I'm going to Anfield to be there. Travel is a challenge for me, and I can't board the plane like everyone else. We're flying to Manchester, then getting a taxi to Liverpool. Come on, the Reds. I think we landed there. Klopp is the only Liverpool manager I've ever known, so I'm feeling so many emotions today. I'm disappointed and I'm sad that he's leaving, but I am very thankful. A line I say a lot is, don't be sad because it's over, be happy because it happened. It's still early, but fans are already gathering everywhere. They've come from all over the world for Klopp's last match, and to meet me.
Lovely to meet you.
It's brilliant to be here amongst the fans, and I've got mobbed by about 1,000 people. When we get to Anfield, the crowds are insane and the atmosphere is electric. I meet more fans, pose for loads of photos.
Absolute legend! You are even more popular than Jürgen Klopp.
And I'm even asked to record a message for the man himself. I'd like to say thank you for everything that you've done for me and how you've changed my life and how you've given me confidence. I wish you all the happiness and success that can come your way. You'll never walk alone.
You are a superstar. Thank you so much.
Mum and Aoife aren't coming to the match, so Dad and I make our way in. This is just amazing.